Do you remember when we were in schools and we had all these physical tests to do? I certainly do. There was the beep test, there was the how many push-ups can you do in one go test, or how many seconds can you hold in the chin-up position test. But now, today, in 2023, what do we have to know if we are fit for our age or amongst our peers? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have an AI called ChatGPT to help us in that matter. I know. Fitness and artificial intelligence may not seem like they go hand in hand. But in this video, we will be exploring the relationship between the two. Using an AI model, we will be analyzing our physical fitness and determining whether or not we are fit for our age. Let's go get some! First, I need to go on the internet and on OpenAI.com. Then I will ask ChatGPT to give me a fitness challenge for people my age. For this video, I really went specific just to give you an example. So, I told ChatGPT that I wanted 5 bodyweight exercise for a man aged 25 and give me a precise numbers of repetition without sets that I should be able to do. I also added a time limit. So ChatGPT gave me this answer: 20 push-ups, 20 squats, 10 lunges per legs, 10 pull-ups, and a 30-second plank hold. And I had a time limit of 10 minutes to accomplish all of this. I like the challenge, but since I don't have a pull-up bar at home, I asked to change the pull-up exercise to something else. Now, the pull-up exercise was now replaced by inverted rows. Now, you might ask why I trust this robot to give me a fitness challenge. Well, here are the reasons why. First, the information provided is based on scientific research and evidence from all of the internet. That's what an AI is. And second, ChatGPT doesn't have any opinion. It's not biased. With this challenge in my head and the trust towards the AI, I did the fitness test. I started the chrono on my laptop and started doing the 20 push-ups. I then proceeded with the 20 squats. It was now time for the 10 lunges. My heart was starting to go faster and faster. I continued with the 10 bent over rows with the little setup I had. Finally, I finished with a 30-second plank position. Boom! Time is over. I achieved all of this in 2 minutes and 28 seconds, which is under 10 minutes. I am physically fit for my age. It's now yours to try. To conclude, our fitness challenge and assessment with the AI model showed that artificial intelligence can be a useful tool when it comes to analyzing physical fitness. I can now say, by standards of an AI, I am fit. Isn't it quite admirable since it's the future's technology? Hey, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But for now, sun's out, guns out, peace out!